Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Heat the pan, add oil, and sear the meat until it is brown. If you are new to this channel, a warm welcome to you. Turn the meat over only when it is brown. A big shout out to my returning subscribers. You are such a blessing to me. Now take the meat out of the pan once all sides are brown. Add oil if it is necessary, then fry chopped onion for 2 to 3 minutes. Add fresh thyme, minced garlic, stirring in between. Please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Add back the meat. Stir as you fry it for about 1 minute. Then add salt, black pepper, stir, add smoked paprika, and stir. Add beef stock or water, stir, then simmer on low heat for about 50 minutes to 1 hour. After 30 minutes, add veggies of choice. This step is optional. I have added chopped sweet potatoes and carrots. Add water if necessary, close the pan and continue to simmer for about next 30 minutes or until the vegetables are soft and the meat is tender. There is no need to thicken the gravy. Please press the like button and leave a comment below and add more value to this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.